Hello Virgos, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you and your person. So on one side will be your energies, on the other side will be the energies of the person you are dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. Please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. So let's see what's there for Virgos, please. So on your side we have the Five of Pentacles, okay. Let's see what's there on your person's side. On your person's side we have the Knight of Swords. See what's the most likely outcome. We have the Knight of Wands, okay. So here with the Five of Pentacles, you feel abandoned, left out, ignored, rejected. And here on your person's side, we have the King of Swords. The reason here is that this person is not either communicating, they are behaving in a dry and a cold manner. They are not investing in you. Or maybe it can be a transit energy also. But yes, at this point in time, there is something which they are keeping themselves at a distance from you. But as the most likely outcome, we have the Knight of Wands. So there is definitely a lot of passion over here. Let's see what's going on. So let's see what's there for the Five of Pentacles. What's there behind the Five of Pentacles? So for the Five of Pentacles, we have the Four of Cups, the Nine of Swords. A lot of anxiety going on with the Tower. Okay, something has happened unexpectedly and suddenly with the Queen of Wands, the King of Cups, the Queen of Cups, and the Ten of Wands. Seven of Cups. Let's see what is behind this King of Swords. Please, what is this King of Swords here for? What's behind this King of Swords, please? So for the King of Swords, we have the Queen of Pentacles, the Seven of Pentacles, the Ace of Pentacles, the Nine of Cups, and the Chariot. Seven of Wands and the Ten of Wheels. So nothing that wrong over here. Eight of Swords. Let's see what's there behind this Knight of Wands, please. So for the Knight of Wands, we have, okay, that is the reason, the Seven of Swords. That's what I was wondering. I couldn't see any reason for this Tower. Okay, so it was the Seven of Swords. Okay, the Ten of Pentacles. Again we have the Ten of Swords. Here we have the Ten of Wands. Okay. The Devil, the Justice, King of Pentacles, and the Ace of Cups. The Four of Wands. This one also wanted to come out. Okay, Six of Pentacles. Six of Swords also wants to come out. Let's keep it there. Six of Swords, and here we have the Eight of Wands and the Knight of Pentacles. Okay. So for the Five of Pentacles here, definitely there is a lot of anxiety, as I said at the beginning, but whatever it is, it has happened unexpectedly. Something has happened unexpectedly in the situation, or suddenly it came as a news for you or as a realization. It has been a sudden shake-up, because of which there is a lot of anxiety, a lot of depression, tension is going on, and you are feeling very upset about it, Virgos. And here we have the Queen of Wands, the King of Cups, the Queen of Cups, Ten of Wands and the Seven of Cups. So with the Seven of Cups, definitely somebody here is being very very confused, either regarding a situation or regarding this relationship, or maybe this person has many options. It can be anything in both of them. Confusion can arise because of options also, but it can arise just even if you are the one in their life. Maybe the confusion is about commitment. So it's not necessarily all the time the other person has many options, though they may have, but they are being, somebody here is being confused and indecisive. They really don't know what to choose. So in spite of a lot of feelings and attraction being there, somebody is giving up on this love. Okay, you are giving up on this love, ready to walk away, complete this situation, leave it there. Okay, because you are not, somebody here, you or the other person, can be the other person, but yes, because of this confusion and this indecisiveness or other options, whatever it was, somebody is ready to leave this situation, even though there is love, there is passion, everything is there, because something has happened which has led to make them make the, it has led to a fact that actually, okay, I'll talk about the Seven of Swords here only. What I feel here is, with the Seven of Cups and the Seven of Swords, it was this situation which has led the other person, you or them, this has created this tower moment and forcing the other person, leading them to take a decision to leave in spite of love being there. Okay, it's something like that, though it has showed up in the mutual energies as the outcome, but yes, it's better to talk about it here, so I'm putting it there. Okay, so it is being the other person, in spite of being love being there, in spite of passion being there, the other person, this person is feeling ignored and rejected because somebody is not committing, somebody is being indecisive, and somebody is really cheating here and hiding, not committing, hiding their emotions, not committing, because of this Seven of Swords energy. Okay, and that is what is coming as a shake up for this person. This person is not able to accept it and they are ready to quit. And here for the King of Swords, as I said, somebody is feeling being detached, not investing in the relationship, not communicating, perhaps not opening up, or whatever it is, keeping the other person at a distance. For that we have the Queen of Pentacles, the Seven of Pentacles, the Ace of Pentacles, the Nine of Pentacles, the Chariot, the Seven of Wands, the Ten of Wheels, and the Eight of Swords. So what I feel here is that this person, though this person was definitely closed off and they were not able to make a decision for whatever the reason was, and they, with the Seven of Pentacles being there, what I feel is now they are contemplating and thinking about that, yes, they have invested a lot in this relationship and what should be done, since you are ready to leave the situation or this relationship. And with the Ace of Pentacles, they do want a new beginning because they see you as the wish fulfillment, and this is what they want. They want to have a progress in this relationship very fast. And with the Ace of Wands, Ten of Wheels, what I feel is now they are done with the struggle. They are ready to leave the situation behind which was caused with the Seven of Wands and the Eight of Swords. So whatever it was which was holding them back from moving forward, things are changing now. They are ready to give up on this situation of holding back. That's what I feel. So they are ready to open up. With the Ten of Wheels, the situation is changing which was causing them to limit themselves and not opening up. So there must have been some reason on this person's side, the way they were behaving. And but the thing is, now they are thinking about it, they are contemplating, and they are wanting to have a new beginning with you. With the Ace of Pentacles and the Chariot being there, and the Wheel of Fortune also. So this person now really wants things to move fast. Okay, and as the most likely outcome with the King of Wands, they are ready to move in. They are moving passionately towards you, and for that we have the Seven of Swords, the Ten of Pentacles, and the Ten of Swords, the Devil, the Justice. So many major cards out there. King of Pentacles, the Ace of Cups, Four of Wands, Six of Pentacles, and the Six of Swords. So what I feel here is, with the Seven of Swords, Ten of Pentacles, and the Ten of Swords, Devil, Justice. See, what I feel here is that with the Knight of Wands, definitely it is an energy in which there is a lot of passion, but this person comes in as fast as they go back. It's something like that. So maybe that was the reason, since they have been cheating. There has been lies, deception, hiding emotions, being non-committal, with the Seven of Cups being there and the Nine of Wands being a sort of a, though very passionate, coming in and you waiting for them to come and then they leave very fast. It's something like that. Okay. And what I feel is that it was happening in a relationship which was actually supposed to be committed, or that is what you wanted it to be. Commitment was on the cards in this relationship because love is there, passion is there on both the sides, but still the other person was being sneaky. And it has been a relationship because of this cheating going on. This relationship, which actually was moving towards commitment or would have committed or was actually committed, but still it was happening behind the scenes, that you have to see. But because of this behavior, the other person was ready to leave it. Okay. Being the devil being there, what I feel is that this was happening since a long time, or it was a repeated cycle which was happening. Okay. And this was not acceptable by the person over here, as the Tower being there. Maybe it came as suddenly it came to light with the Justice card being there. Maybe this one person was not aware of this behavior of the other person, and once they realized this, they just walked away. Because maybe this is a pattern in this relationship, it can be that, or maybe this is a pattern which needs to be corrected in this relationship, with the Devil and the Justice being there. So maybe this is something which has to be corrected and balanced in this situation. And here we have the King of Pentacles, Ace of Cups, the Four of Wands, Six of Pentacles and the Six of Swords. So somebody is ready to leave the past behind, ready to move on, ready to balance the situation. We have the Four of Wands, which is victory, stability, celebrations, Ace of Cups and the King of Pentacles. So definitely now this person is showing up as a King of Pentacles. Basically now they are committing, they are bringing in the commitment. So from the Wands and the that type of an energy, that this person was coming and going, now they are promising to have a stable new beginning with you, with the Pentacles being there. Wands is like temporary coming in and going out, and here with the King, now they are presenting from the Knight to the King of Pentacles, which is a stable and a committed energy. So things are getting sorted out, they are ready to open up, offering their love, and here they have the commitment coming in. Things are getting sorted out, and you are ready to leave the past behind and move towards the future. So let's see what is the message from the universe for Virgos. I think in the last reading also I think it was for Virgos only. There was something unexpected which happened. Maybe I'm wrong, but it was something like that. Unexpectedly somebody has to leave the situation. I think it was Virgo only. You can check out the last reading which I have done for the first 15 days of January. Not the you and your person one, the last 15 days of January perhaps. Let's see what is the message from the universe. Number 46 may be of some significance for you. Spend quality time together. Listen and talk to each other. Only then you can sort out this issue. So this is coming as a guidance for you, Virgos. So I just hope it helps. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.